Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, we'll see a cafe style combination of cold coffee and delicious veg grill sandwich. So let's get started. For the chutney, take a mixer grinder, add 1 green chilli, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon cumin, 1 medium-sized roughly chopped tomato, 1/4 cup fresh coriander, and 1/4 cup mint leaves. Make sure you wash the mint leaves and coriander before using. Add some salt to taste. Place the lid and grind to a fine paste without adding any water. The water from tomato would be enough to provide the right consistency. Our chutney is ready. Now let's move to the next step. For this recipe we need some boiled potatoes depending on how many sandwiches you want to make. If you're using a small medium-sized potato, you would need 1 potato for 2 sandwiches, so you can take potatoes and other vegetables accordingly. Slice or chop some capsicum. Along with some capsicum and potatoes, I've got thinly sliced tomato and onion. Now let's move to the next step. Take a white bread slice or brown bread, apply butter. Make sure the butter is at room temperature so that it's spreadable. Apply a thin layer of butter and then apply some chutney. Grate a little cheese. This would act as a glue between the vegetables and bread once you start grilling the sandwich. Next, place some slices of boiled potatoes, tomato, onion and capsicum. You may add slices of boiled beetroot as well or cucumber, raw cucumber. Now sprinkle some roasted cumin powder, that is bhuna zeera powder, and Kanda Lasun masala. This is easily available in the market, or you can add Lasun chutney if you do not get Kanda Lasun masala, and then sprinkle some chaat masala. Take another bread slice, apply some butter and chutney and place the slice of bread over the sandwich. Before that, grate some cheese. I'm not using a lot of cheese, just a little bit. You may add more if you want. Apply a thin layer of butter only on the top part of the sandwich and keep it aside. I'll tell you why I do this. I always do this. Repeat the same steps and make the other sandwich. With the amount of prepared chutney, you can make 7 to 8 sandwiches, but you would need more potatoes and vegetables for that. Our sandwiches are ready to be grilled. Gently lift the sandwich and place the buttered side down. This is something that I always follow, that is, place the buttered side down and then apply butter on the other side. If you apply butter on both the sides before placing the sandwich on tawa, you would end up in mess and some wastage of butter. Grill the sandwich at lowest flame possible. Use smaller burner if possible. Now let's quickly make the cold coffee. Take 1/4 cup warm water and add 1 to 1.5 teaspoon instant coffee powder. Mix well and then add sugar. Add sugar to this decoction only. Add 1.5 tablespoon, 1 to 1.5 as per your taste. Mix well, set aside. Now take your mixer grinder, add 250 ml milk. Make sure the milk is very cold, chilled, and then add the prepared decoction. 2 cubes of ice. Blend this till the mixture becomes frothy. If you do not want to add sugar to the coffee decoction, you can use powdered sugar. But it's very important to use chilled milk. It would give you nice thick and frothy coffee. Now decorate your serving glass with some chocolate syrup and pour in the coffee. If you want, you can add a scoop of vanilla ice cream or chocolate ice cream on top. You can garnish the cold coffee with some chocolate syrup or cocoa powder. Let me show you how nice and crispy the sandwich has come out. The sandwich looks delicious. While serving, you can grate a little cheese on top of the sandwiches. This is totally optional, and some wafers like Café. Very delicious, and the Kanda Lasun masala takes the sandwich to another level. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.